All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Sounds really cool. Of course, you're gonna have some vibrations. This shakes, you know, stuff in the back here on that top. Those kind of laminate windows, they're gonna rattle. This is super cool. Pretty easy to shift once you get the hang of it. Every once in a while I'll go from first to fourth. Once you figure it out, it shouldn't be any problem. Really fun to drive though. Makes all the right noises. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid, no issues there. Go back down into first. It likes to walk across the road and bounce around. You kind of have to fight for it a little bit, but it makes it fun. But I love the sound. You can hear that turbo just kind of whistling. So really no complaints with the drivability. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. 305 5520s. Date code 2016. There is a lot of tread left here on the tires. Looking at that wheel, it's in great condition. Got a little scuff there. That upper section looks good, lower side's clean. That fender well looks really nice. That edge looks good. That looks good. That's clean. Here on the upper side of the door. Now we're gonna see some wear and chipping in here on that handle. Got a chip there. The edge is nice. The rest of that looks good. Little chip here. That flare looks good. Just kind of scanning through that paint. That tire looks nice. That wheel is in great condition. Once again, 2016 date code. I'm just gonna kind of scan through all of this. Looks really nice, absolutely gorgeous. That looks good. Little dingy on the light here on the edge. Absolutely perfect. I'm not seeing any rock chips there. I'm just looking at the top of the hood. I don't see any damage there as well. That light has that dingy look. All of that looks amazing. I mean, I'm looking for rock chips and flaws. So far, that is really, really clean. I mean, all of that looks good. Got a chip right there. I mean, just getting close, you can see how nice this is. There's a little imperfection in the paint right there. Otherwise, it's in great condition. That looks good. That's clean. That flare looks nice. Getting in here, looking at all that. Looks awesome. Wheel looks good. Little scratches on the glass. You can see that has some chips and gashes on it. The door looks nice. A couple scuffs from getting in and out. A few small rock chips there. That paint's clean. That looks good. That looks perfect. That light looks good. Same with those two. Those are perfect. That one looks good. And there's really not a lot to pick apart on this. Brand new tire here on that wheel. Once again, perfect. Getting underneath. Looks awesome. Alright, checking out the interior. It's a non-smoker. That panel looks amazing. Window rolls down super easy. All of that looks good. Here on the seat, super clean. They look pretty much perfect. And same with the steering wheel. Dash pad on this side looks good. You're gonna see a little separation right there. Otherwise, that looks good. I know it's kind of dark in here, but all of this looks really nice. Here on this door panel, looks like some flaws in the leather just from the factory. You're going to see like that little circular area. Speaker looks good. I mean, all of that is really clean. Looks good. The seat is absolutely perfect. All of this looks so good. Here on the dash pad, it's in great condition. Headliner looks good. I'll check back there in just a second. And checking out back here. Seats look perfect. You got the custom speakers here. Super cool. And you're going to see the little scuffs here. All of that is in great condition. Alright, checking out the engine bay. I'm just going to scan through some of this. We also have a lot of photos of the bay here. You can check those out on the website if you haven't already seen that. Here on the underside. Looks really nice.